Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm sure you've all heard Jeren say this.
Science cannot prove anything. How would it ever do that? Think about it. If no matter what you try and prove, and these guys, I heard him say the other day, "Oh, science proof is that the water boils at 100 degrees." That's not proof of anything. Number one, what kind of water? Are you talking about distilled water? Are you talking about ocean water? Are you talking about dirty river water? Because guess what? It's all different. Okay? So there is no, you can't just say water boils at 100 degrees. That's stupid. That's not proof of it. There's no proof of that. It depends on exact, and then you don't know all the parameters that go into things. So nothing can ever be proven by science. So if somebody has been pointed out this, I've pointed this out to them numerous times. What do? They sit on their debate channel and laugh at me. So I know that whatever they're doing over there is perpetrating a scam. They're scamming people somehow. I don't know if it's for money or what they're doing, but they're not being honest, which means they're scamming.
Oh, somebody's scamming, and by the end of this video we're going to find out who. So I'm going to boil myself some water and it's time to put this to bed. So it goes a bit like this, Jeren. Water, H2O, boils at 100 degrees C at sea level, 1 atmosphere or 14.7 psi. Right, first things first. I live in Rotherham, South Yorkshire, United Kingdom. My elevation, 27 metres, 89 feet above sea level. Barometric pressure, 101 kPa. What's kPa? Well, I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at a kPa to PSI conversion table. Type in 101 kPa and it gives me 14.6488115, or rounded up to 14.7 psi. Right, next we need to put some water in this. Now, this container don't have any bearing on boiling point of water. It don't matter what it's made out of. It don't have any bearing on boiling point of water. Next, I'm going to fill it with water, H2O. Not muddy water, not seawater, not sugar water, just water, H2O. Right, I'm going to be filming temperature counter on my phone. So I've got my thermometer in water. It's reading 23 degrees C. So I'm going to turn it on full whack. And we're going to boil. Now I'm not going to time it because time's got naught to do with boiling point of water. So we just got to wait. So just to be clear, Jeren, container, nothing to do with boiling point of water. Time, nothing to do with boiling point of water. The only thing that's going to affect boiling point of water is pressure. You understand? We did this at school when, well, we did anyway in England, when I was about 10. We've known boiling point of water for hundreds of years, Jerry. Fact, proven by science. I'm going to show you, because it's repeatable. So we're at 27 degrees C, so we've got a long ways to go yet. Can't believe I'm having to do this. This is like kids play. But when you've got deceivers in community, It has to be done. But you're breaking community up. Blah, blah, blah. I don't care. I don't want to be in a community with deceivers. So now we're at 30 degrees. I'm going to set this clock going on camera. Right, so we're recording now on camera. I'm going to stop talking now. Two degrees C. Fifty-one degrees C. So we're halfway there. 60 degrees C. $70 C. Starting to get a bit more lively. $80 C. 90 degrees C. .92 degrees C. Starting to get some bubbles now. .94 degrees C. .97 degrees C. Nearly there. .98 degrees C. .99 degrees C. .100 degrees C. And it's boiling. Will it get any higher? Still 100 degrees C. Still boiling. Still boiling. Still boiling. Still 100 degrees C. Still boiling. Still 100 degrees C. Not looking good this, Jaren. Still boiling. Still 100 degrees C. Still boiling. Still boiling. Still 100 degrees C. Do you know why it's still 100 degrees C, Jaren? Because that's a boiling point of water. It'll not get any higher now, it'll stay at 100 degrees C until all that water's boiled away. Still 100 degrees C. Still boiling. Just get another couple of minutes and then I'm going to stop recording because I know for a fact it's not going to get any higher. So I went to school. Still 100 degrees C. Still boiling. It'll stay like that, Jeren, until there's no water left. But that temperature gauge will not go above 100 degrees C. Because this is a proven fact. Scientifically proven fact, Jeren. You should have done this at school. Still boiling. Still 100 degrees C. Still boiling. Still 100 degrees C. And I'm going to stop it there because there's no point carrying on, because I'm just going to get on the kitchen wet with steam. But yeah, water's still boiling. It's been boiling like that now for a few minutes. And the temperature's still reading 100 degrees C. So, water, H2O, at 1 atmosphere, boils at 100 degrees C. Get it, Jeren? You push cryptocurrency, you misrepresent scripture because you've got some kind of God complex or God issues or something, and you call people scammers because you have no clue what science is or scientific method. I think you owe somebody an apology.